Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm super excited about because I'm going to be talking about the company called jjshouse. So they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try one of their evening gowns and review it for you guys, and that they would also send me a coupon code for my subscribers. So I said yes, and so I went on their website and picked a dress. Now, when I went on there, it wasn't that easy. Like, they have so many beautiful dresses. It's really hard to just choose one. It probably took me like a week and a half to decide on one dress because they are just so beautiful. So they have dresses for brides. They have mother of the bride dresses. They have prom dresses, flower girl dresses, little black dresses, basically dresses for any like fancy event. So I love how their website has everything so nicely organized. It's really easy to navigate through the site. I also like that they provide information of the model that's in the dress. So they tell you her height, her weight, and what size she's wearing, just to give you an idea. And then you can kind of like compare, because when you shop online, it's super hard to pick a size because obviously you're not trying it on. So it's kind of like you're guessing. But I found that very helpful that they provided that information. Also, there's a lot of customer reviews on the dresses, and customers also have taken pictures of themselves in the dress. So you can kind of see what the dress looks like. You can see the detailing, and obviously it's different like when a 5'9" model is wearing it and when someone who's like 5'5" is wearing it. So you can kind of get an idea of what the dress looks like on different body shapes. So I did get my dress customized. There's an extra fee for that. I believe it's $20, which I don't think it's too much, because I feel like if you were to go get a dress tailored and customized, I feel like it's way more than $20, I'm pretty sure. Now, I did get charged custom and duty tax when I had the dress delivered. Now, the company did reimburse me and pay for everything, but I just want to let you guys know that so that you aren't surprised when you do get your dress. I don't know if that happens to everyone, but here in Canada, that's what happened to me. So I just want to make you aware of that. The dress came within 2 weeks, and it came in a nice little box. It also had a nice little bag protecting it. And when I saw the dress, I was actually surprised, because not that I didn't have high expectations, but I don't know. It's always like risky buying online, you never really know what you're gonna get. But I was actually very surprised with the quality of the dress. I love the dress that I picked. There are a few little changes that I would make, which I will talk about and show you guys when I actually have the dress on. But besides the little things that I would change up, I'm in love with the dress. It's beautiful, and I'm definitely going to wear it to the wedding that I have to go to in the summertime. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the dress that I got. And also, if you are interested in this dress, I'll provide like all the info in the description box. And I also have a coupon code, which I will leave down below as well. Okay, so this is the dress right here. This is the A-line princess. No, what is it called? Hang on, let me get it. Let me get the name of this dress. I don't want to mess it up. I could have had this ready before. Okay, so this dress is the A-line princess V-neck floor length chiffon evening dress with beading, and it is currently on the site for $224, and it has 5 reviews and it has 5 stars, 5 out of 5. So this is what it looks like. I got it in black. It's got this beautiful detailing right here at the front. It's got all this nice beading. It has some cups that they put in. Now, I wish that they would have put black cups instead of this light gray, because I feel like you can really see it. I don't know, just my personal preference. And then this whole part is very flowy. It's got some weight to it. It does zip up on the back. There's a zipper. It goes about down to here, so pretty long. Now, these spaghetti straps are not adjustable, so just keep that in mind. And I also like that it has these straps right here for hanging it, just so that you don't stretch out your dress when you do hang it up in the closet. So you could just hang it like this and not ruin like this part. All right, so I know that this is really hard to see, so I'm going to go ahead and try on the dress and let you guys know what I like about it and what I don't like about it and what I would change. All right, you guys, so this is what the dress looks like on. It's got a low back. I can't can't show you all the way down because I'm filming by myself, but it goes all the way down to the floor. I will insert some pictures of what like the bottom looks like it just flares out really nicely. It's super beautiful. I love the beading detailing here. However, I do wish that the cups were black because, I don't know, I just feel like you can really see them. And I feel like the cups are too small for me. I feel like they need to be a little bit bigger. So I may actually just remove the cups and maybe just wear a strapless bra, a black one, just because I feel like they're sitting kind of weird. But other than that, the dress is beautiful. I'm probably going to get my mom to kind of cinch in the waist just a tiny bit more. See, I feel like that would look a tiny bit better. So dress is really comfortable. You could like dance in it and have a good time. It's not see-through at all. It actually has 2 layers. So it has this first layer here, and then underneath it has another layer of material. I just love it. I think it's so pretty. I love all the detailing here. It really just sparkles when the light hits it. It's got some weight to it. Like, it doesn't feel cheap at all. It's really nice. The only thing, like I said, that I would change is the cups. And I don't know, just because I feel like you could see like side boobage happening here, I guess I could cover it with my hair. And I kind of feel like if I were to lift my arms up, the cups would kind of go up too. And I don't want to flash anybody. I'm very happy with it. So thank you to jjshouse for sending me this dress. I definitely recommend you guys checking out this site if you are looking for a dress to wear for a special occasion. I will leave the store link down below, and I will also include a coupon code so you guys could save some money. And yeah, that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.